Hey there, foodie friends. Today we're delving into the world of personal hygiene in the kitchen because keeping yourself clean while cooking is just as important as keeping your kitchen clean. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, these hygiene practices will ensure your meals are not only delicious but also safe and hygienic. So, let's dive in and learn how to cook with cleanliness. Personal hygiene in the kitchen is crucial for preventing foodborne illnesses and maintaining a healthy cooking environment. By following these simple practices, you can ensure that you're cooking with cleanliness every step of the way. Let's get started. Number one, wash your hands. Before you start cooking, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. This removes any dirt, bacteria, and germs from your hands and prevents them from contaminating the food. Number two, tie back long hair. If you have long hair, tie it back or wear a hairnet to prevent hair from falling into the food. This helps maintain cleanliness and ensures that your hair doesn't become a potential contaminant. Number three, wear clean clothes and apron. Always wear clean clothes and an apron while cooking to prevent any contaminants from your clothing from getting into the food. Change your apron if it becomes soiled or contaminated during cooking. Number four, avoid touching your face and hair. While cooking, avoid touching your face, hair, or any parts of your body to prevent transferring bacteria and germs from your hands to your face or hair and ultimately to the food. Number five, cover coughs and sneezes. If you need to cough or sneeze while cooking, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow to prevent respiratory droplets from contaminating the food. By incorporating these personal hygiene practices into your cooking routine, you'll ensure that you're cooking with cleanliness and maintaining a safe and hygienic kitchen environment. So let's keep ourselves clean and our meals delicious. Thanks for joining me on this journey to master personal hygiene in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your cooking game. Stay clean and happy cooking. For more kitchen hygiene tips and culinary inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking and stay clean.